Artificial intelligence is no longer a figment of science fiction. It has transcended the pages of novels and the screens of movies to become an integral part of our daily lives. It is here, it is evolving rapidly, and its influence is expanding at an unprecedented rate. AI is poised to reshape our world in profound ways, touching every aspect of our existence from the way we work to the way we interact with each other. AI systems are already performing tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. They are not just tools, they are becoming collaborators in our daily routines. They are driving our cars, diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy, and even composing music that resonates with human emotions. This rapid progress has sparked both excitement and apprehension. The possibilities seem endless, but so do the challenges. While AI offers tremendous potential for progress, it also presents unprecedented risks that we must confront with wisdom and foresight. Ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks are more important than ever. The development of artificial intelligence is often compared to the invention of the printing press or the discovery of electricity. These were watershed moments that fundamentally altered the course of human history. These innovations opened new frontiers and transformed societies. Similarly, AI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, from healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment. However, with this immense power comes immense responsibility. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed in ways that are ethical, transparent, and beneficial to all. The choices we make today will shape the future of AI and, by extension, the future of humanity. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, we must proceed with caution, ensuring that this powerful technology is used for the betterment of humanity and not for its detriment. The journey ahead is filled with promise, but it requires careful navigation. To understand the full implications of artificial intelligence, we must first distinguish between its different levels of sophistication. AI is not a monolithic entity. It comes in various forms and capabilities, each with its own set of strengths and limitations. Today, most AI systems fall under the category of narrow or weak AI. These are specialized systems designed to handle specific tasks and are prevalent in many aspects of our daily lives. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks, such as playing chess, translating languages, or recognizing faces. They are highly efficient within their designated domains, but cannot operate beyond their programmed capabilities. They excel in their designated domains but lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans. This limitation is a significant barrier to achieving more advanced forms of AI. However, researchers are actively pursuing the development of general or strong AI. This ambitious goal aims to create machines that can understand, learn, and reason across a wide range of tasks. This level of AI would possess the ability to understand, learn, and reason across a wide range of tasks, much like humans do. It would be capable of adapting to new situations and solving problems it has never encountered before. The prospect of creating machines with human-level intelligence or even surpassing it raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. These questions touch on the very nature of consciousness, free will, and the future of human society. Some experts believe that strong AI could emerge within a few decades, revolutionizing industries and potentially transforming our way of life, while others argue that it remains a distant possibility. The debate continues, but one thing is certain: the journey of AI is just beginning, and its future holds endless possibilities. One of the most immediate and pressing concerns surrounding artificial intelligence is its potential impact on the job market. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are increasingly capable of automating tasks previously performed by human workers. This trend is already evident in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. The fear of widespread job displacement due to automation is not unfounded. However, it is important to remember that historical technological advancements have often led to the creation of new jobs while rendering others obsolete. The key to navigating this transition successfully lies in education and retraining. We must equip our workforce with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy. Artificial intelligence systems are often touted for their objectivity and impartiality. However, it is crucial to recognize that these systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data itself contains biases, these biases will be reflected in the decisions and recommendations made by the AI system. This phenomenon, known as algorithmic bias, has the potential to perpetuate and even exacerbate existing societal inequalities. For example, imagine an AI system used to evaluate job applicants. If the system is trained on data that reflects historical hiring patterns, it may inadvertently discriminate against certain groups, such as women or minorities. Similarly, AI systems used in criminal justice, healthcare, and finance could perpetuate existing disparities if they are not designed and implemented with careful attention to fairness and equity. The rise of artificial intelligence has coincided with an explosion in the amount of data being collected about our lives. From our online browsing habits to our physical movements, every aspect of our existence is increasingly being tracked and analyzed. This data is the lifeblood of AI systems, enabling them to learn, adapt, and make predictions about our behavior. While the collection and analysis of data can have beneficial applications, such as personalized medicine or targeted advertising, it also raises serious concerns about privacy and autonomy. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may be able to infer sensitive information about us that we never explicitly reveal. This raises the question of who has access to this information and how it is being used. Section 6. The weaponization of intelligence AI in warfare and the ethics of autonomous killing. The potential applications of artificial intelligence extend far beyond the civilian realm. Militaries around the world are investing heavily in AI research, hoping to gain an edge on the battlefield. AI-powered systems are already being used for tasks such as surveillance, target identification, and even autonomous weapon systems. The development of autonomous weapon systems, in particular, raises profound ethical concerns. These systems would be capable of selecting and engaging targets without human intervention, raising the specter of machines making life-or-death decisions. Critics argue that such weapons would cross a moral red line, while proponents argue that they could potentially reduce civilian casualties by making warfare more precise. Section 7. The Singularity Fact or Fiction. Exploring the limits of artificial intelligence. One of the most controversial and speculative ideas surrounding artificial intelligence is the concept of the singularity. This hypothetical event refers to a point in time when AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to an intelligence explosion and potentially unpredictable changes to civilization. Proponents of the singularity theory argue that once AI reaches a certain level of sophistication, it will be able to design and create even more intelligent AI, leading to a rapid and exponential increase in intelligence. This could result in an AI that far surpasses human capabilities, potentially leading to a scenario where humans are no longer the dominant intelligence on Earth. Section 8. Striking a balance. Harnessing the power of AI for good. Despite the potential risks associated with artificial intelligence, it is important to remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or for ill. The key to ensuring that AI benefits humanity lies in establishing ethical guidelines, promoting transparency, and fostering collaboration between researchers, policymakers, and the public. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, environmental protection, and countless other fields. It can help us solve some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity. However, we must proceed with caution, ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. Section 9. A call to action. Shaping the future of AI together. The future of artificial intelligence is not predetermined. It is a canvas that we, as a global community, have the power to paint. It is a future that we will shape through our choices and actions. Every decision we make today will ripple into the future, influencing the trajectory of AI development. It is essential that we engage in a thoughtful and informed dialogue about the implications of AI, addressing both its potential benefits and its potential risks. This dialogue must be inclusive, bringing together voices from all walks of life. We must demand transparency from those developing and deploying AI systems, ensuring that these systems are designed and used in a fair and equitable manner. Transparency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any successful technological advancement. We must invest in education and retraining programs to prepare our workforce for the jobs of the future. As AI evolves, so too must our skills and knowledge. And we must work together to establish ethical guidelines and regulations that govern the development and use of artificial intelligence. These guidelines will ensure that AI serves humanity and not the other way around. The future is in our hands. It is a responsibility we all share, and a journey we must embark on together. Let us shape it wisely with compassion, foresight, and a commitment to the greater good.